Hello, your days of crying for data bundles is over. I have a good news for you. The cheapest bundles available now for just 10 Ghana cedis for cool 7 gigabytes. The cool thing too is that is for 3 days. So I am going to teach you how to do this data bundles step by step. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Vodafone made for me. Step 1. Dial 530. Step 2. Select option 3. Then press send. This part there to options. Either Momo or pay with airtime. The final part you just follow the procedure to the end and enjoy your 7 gigabytes of data from Vodafone made for me. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are grateful.